Hey everybody, Kenyon Banks and Southern Boys Outdoors here to do a little open box look at a new product by LoCo Cookers. This here is a 10-quart fish fryer. We're gonna open it up and see what all comes with it, guys. Do a little open box here. I know y'all like doing these open boxes. So open box, see what comes in the box with the LoCo. Open it up. Off the bat, we got all the instructions and all the screws to put everything together. I wonder what's in this box, inside that box. So, cardboard. Ooh, look at this little burner, guys. Check that out. Got the little burner right here. Got these little cardboard legs on it. Take that off. Take that cardboard off of it. So there's your little burner. There's the burner for the LoCo cooker. Now let's see what comes in the pot. I guess is in here. So let's see. Open it up. And check that out. Got the pot. Got the little handle for the pot. Very simple to put together too, y'all. Move that out of the way. Here's your basket. Here. And that's your heat deflector here. Goes on the bottom of the burner. And you got a nice big 10-quart pan here. So there's your pot, goes like that. Comes with a thermostat also. This up, check that out. Neat little thermostat, because what you do, it just snaps right on side the pot like this. So maybe it goes opposite way. Goes right on side the pot, goes inside there. I mean, just like that. So now you can see the temperature of whatever you're cooking. If you're frying fish, shrimp, or oysters, whatever you choose to fry, you can see the temperature of your oil. They got the 350 marked here. So, that's where you want to fry it, around 350 degrees. And one thing I've learned over the years of frying stuff, when you start heating up and that temperature, when it hits 300, you want to start cranking it down, because you don't want to burn your oil. You want to make sure you keep your oil temperature in between 350 and 300. Makes perfect fried fish, fried shrimp every time. So got another little handle here goes with it. Have to figure all this out where everything goes. The burner that comes with it, y'all, it's not your traditional. You open it up. Fire there, guys. So that burner right there, see, it's not a jet burner, it's more of a flame burner, like a stove, and it'll sit right up underneath there like that. Comes with your regulator and your hose and everything. So can't wait to get this bad boy together, Mama T, and fry up some fish. What do you think about it?
It's nice.
Looks nice. Hey guys, y'all go to LoCoCookers.com. Check these out. They're available in different places. Academy, Sports, Lowe's. I think they're also available at the Southern Boys store also. So, hey, y'all check them out online at LoCoCookers.com for a dealer near you. Awesome product, guys.